Hello, we're a duo called An Choristia, and we've been singing and playing together for the last couple of years, and we have recorded 3 songs for you, 3 Robert Burns songs. The first one is Ye Banks and Braes, and then the next one is Whistle.
And I'll come to you, my lad.
Yes, and the final one is an Irish version of A Fond Kiss. It's actually been translated into Irish by a fellow up in Gulladuff, and it's very, very beautiful translation, and we're going to sing that for you. And the final verse is sung in Scots, so that's Aon Fóga Wine or A Fond Kiss. And we're An Choristia, and very happy to play for you and to sing for you, and we hope you'll have us again sometime. Go to Mila Mahigav. Thank you very much.
So this is a song that was written by Burns in 1787. It was the rewriting of another song that he wrote for a girl called Peggy. It is one of, I think, Burns's most famous songs. It's certainly the first Burns song that I ever learned. I learned it at primary school, and it has stuck with me all of these years. And the song is Ye Banks and Braes. Ye banks and braes, oh bonny doon, how can ye bloom so fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I say weary through all care? You'll break my heart, ye warbling bird, that wantons through the flowery thorn. Ye mind me home, departed joys, departed never take return. Of day I roved by bonny Doon, to see the rose and woodbine twine, until a bird sang all its love, and fondly say, did I all mine. With some hat I put a rose, who lovely on its thorny tree. But my false lover stole my rose, and he left the thorn with me. Banks and braes, oh bonny Doon, how can ye bloom so fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I say weary through all care? You'll break my heart, ye warbling bird, that wantons through the flowery thorn. Ye mind me home, departed joys, departed never take return. Ye mind me home, departed joys, departed never take return. So, as I'm sure you know, Burns didn't just write songs, he collected them as well. And if he found a fragment of a song that he felt was interesting, he would sometimes add to that to produce a full song. And and this is a flirty little song that he derived from a fragment, and it is called Whistle and I'll Come to You, My Lad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Though father and mother and all should get mad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. But warily tent when ye come to court me, and come not unless the back yet be a G. Sign her the back style, but let naebody see. And come as you were na coming to me, and come as you were na coming to me. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Though father and mother and all should get mad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. At Kirkconnell, at Market, whene'er you see me, gang by me as though that you cared not a G. But give me a wink with your bonny bluey, yet look as you were na looking at me, yet look as you were na looking at me. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Though father and mother and all should get mad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. I vow and aver that you care not for me, and whilst ye may lightly my beauty away, yet could no another, though joking ye be, for fear that she wiles your fancy frae me, for fear that she wiles your fancy frae me. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. Though father and mother and all should get mad. Oh, whistle and I'll come to you, my lad. In Fogawain and Shin and Scaru, oh, Macrack and Fellow, the Jora Jane Torch and Yahort, Yalamas Nagoch and Follow. They Jago will Traha and Nando, Madashi Vel Tando, Kishando, Nilsil Shikyal, Ladus, a
Dwydochus ar ymchanda Na hyffrio'n sa rhyw bod Nancy An hanner aling bon Nes ansa ar hag o wain A hag me gradi Ys di o wain Ma grag o bragi Ac godag sy'n dy chela Ac harin sy'n siarc Ys fela ac argol yn gas Ar sgarw I gael y gyn Gyda unrhyw Go changes lan a siarc Ysgela Go changes lan mor e arhela I'n gahort Sol to sasu Sgych y so y stor gynharu Ein ffog o wain yn sy'n ansgarw O my gra gan ffylw Le jor y dreigri torch yn ialord Gal y mos y torch gan calor A fond kiss and then we sever A farewell, alas, forever Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee Warm sighs